Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Caroline. Welcome to the video. So for today's video guys is magbabayad po tayo ng ating peso loan. As you can see, pwede na po ako makapag-avail ng early repayment. So what I will do is tap the early payment and makikita nyo dito whole loan today to enjoy 14% off. So that is our plan. So ngayon naman kapag magbabayad tayo ng early, so early tayo ng 3 days guys. So ayan yung ating babayaran is instead of 3,955, yung babayaran na lang natin is 3,892 and tap apply. So ayan, kapag na-approve na yung ating early repayment application. So what you will do is copy natin yung reference number guys kasi yan lang naman yung mahirap memorize. Tapos punta tayo sa ating GCash. Then as you can see, meron akong balance na 5.5 and punta lang po tayo sa bills and hanapin natin si Dragon Loans. So dito naman sa Dragon Loans, tap natin yung ating reference number, yung contact number, and yung ating email address. Apps. And wag natin kakalimutan yung ating amount. So dahil hindi ko memorize yung amount na babayaran, so ayan, 3892. Tap natin 3892. And then wag na nating i-protect yung ating babayaran dahil magbabayad pa tayo ng around 35 pesos kapag nag-insure tayo. Then tap next. So ayan na guys, as you can see, meron tayong service fee na 10 pesos. So i-confirm lang natin yan. Let's wait for a while. Medyo matagal ha. So, ayan guys, as you can see, successfully paid na tayo and payment received na. So, balikan natin yung ating peso loan. So, balik tayo dito. So, may timer pa rin. So, wini-wait pa nila yung ating payment. So, hindi pa nagre-reflect guys. Let's wait for a while na makapag-post. So, ayan. Due to your good credit record, you successfully repaid your installment. Tapos, maximum credit has been approved. So, tingnan natin, guys. Yung ating credit limit. So, yung credit limit available natin ngayon na ginrant sa atin ni peso loan is 6,300 pesos. So, ma-avail mo yan kapag nag-loan ka ulit sa loob ng 2 days. So, hindi na ako maglo-loan guys. Kasi medyo mahal si peso loan. Pero okay na rin. At least nakatulong kahit papano. So, yeah. That's it for today's video. And Merry Christmas guys. See you on my next one. Bye! Peace!